Oobla loatak, Kanuik Pizzy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today we're going to take another look at the topic of mistakes. Mistakes can sometimes hurt somebody. Mistakes can sometimes hurt ourselves. And mistakes can sometimes not hurt anyone. Let's look at these three different situations. Let's take a look at this mistake. We have two awesome twins in our high school, Janet and Lynette. Let's say you walked up to someone and you said, "Hi, Lynette," thinking it was Lynette. But actually it was a mistake, and the person said, "I'm Janet." You might feel kind of silly, and it might hurt this person's feelings. Janet looks like she's smiling and like she's going to be just fine, but words could possibly hurt someone. A mistake with words could hurt someone, right? Now let's take this example. What if you trip with your lunch tray? It's entirely possible that a mistake like this could hurt you, especially if we had lunch somewhere where people wouldn't give you another tray. Luckily, we have awesome cooks, so something like this might not hurt you. What about this mistake? Could this mistake hurt anyone? Could it hurt you? Could it hurt the person writing it? Hey, probably not. A mistake like this doesn't hurt people. So one of the first things you can do when you make a mistake is stop and consider, did this mistake hurt anyone? So, let's take a look at this mistake. Under some conditions, it might certainly hurt someone, right? Under another set of conditions, this mistake could certainly hurt you, right? Now, if you're in a safe place like our commons and you drop your food tray and it falls on the floor, you might feel sad for a while, but you might not actually hurt anyone because you could clean it up, and we have awesome, great cooks, and they would give you another tray. So mistakes can mean different things in different circumstances. Lastly, let's consider this mistake. If you were buying 2 tickets for $4 each, and you said 4 plus 4 equals 10, then you paid for your 2 tickets with a $10 bill, that mistake might hurt you because you probably didn't have to pay $10. On the other hand, if you were at the post office and you saw 2 piles of boxes, 4 boxes in each pile, and you went and told your friend that they had 10 boxes at the post office, they might go to the post office and look for 10 boxes. And they probably wouldn't like that. Now, last but not least, let's consider you working in a safe place, like your classroom, at your desk or table, trying to work a math problem or write something, and you make a mistake. Did that mistake hurt anyone in your classroom? Did that mistake hurt you? Okay, now this is kind of interesting. We can make mistakes, and they don't really hurt anybody. And isn't that interesting? I wonder what mistakes we make at school and what they might mean. We're going to talk about that more tomorrow. So be mindful today of any mistakes you might make. You might make a mistake that hurts someone and need to apologize or fix something. You might make a mistake that hurts yourself, and you'll have to stop and take a deep breath and think about it. Or you might make a mistake on some of your schoolwork that doesn't hurt anybody. Interesting. Be mindful of that today, and we'll talk about this more tomorrow.